Let's go check on my girls. It's some icy this morning. Listen. Hello, my girls. It gets cold. Hello. Hello, babies. What's you girls doing? It's cold today, isn't it? Isn't it? I brought treats. I did. Hold on. I know. She knows. She knows. She knows Mommy has treats. Look at her. Oh, you're bad. You're all bad. Good. Give her a piece. Hey, don't be greedy. You don't need two. See if there's any eggs. Oh my soul! 3. Good. What about in here? Oh, 2 more! So I'm bringing the chickens another bowl of food. I bring this size of bowl every 2 to 3 days to them. So that's how much they eat right now. I'm sure they won't need as much come the summer when they can forage, but right now there's, as you can see, nothing but snow for them. So we give them this plus some treats throughout the day. Just they love cucumber peel and apple peel, things like that. Toast crust, they do like that too. So give them this, they'll be happy. Hi, baby. It is an icy day. So I've had a bunch of people suggest that I use the large sled when bringing wood in. And literally the wood pile was like right outside the door, but we've gone through that entire pile and we're now at the very back of the pile. So I'm going to use the sled today to fill up from the far pile and bring it up to the house, just because probably will be a lot easier considering the pile is a little bit further from the house now that we're on our very last pile. So let's go! So this is our last section of wood here. Our neighbor had borrowed a couple cord from us earlier in the year, so we do have 2 more cord that we'll be getting back next year. Or if we need it later this year. But we shouldn't. Samantha and I have been busy baking chocolate chip cookies. Boy, they're good.
Alright, it's time for the joke of the day. Baseball walks into a bar. Bartender throws it out. You're welcome.
So pajamas and your papa's must.
So I got two red wires here. That's all I had at the time when we were putting the sealant on. But I taped this one off, this 14 gauge wire. This here, the black one's going to be the black positive because it's black positive, white negative in that light. And then this will be the white one. Then on the other end I have the same thing over there with the black piece tape, so I'll know that's the black positive. And that is going to be the white one. So, negative. Pretty easy. Got it?
Yep.
That's unfortunate. No compensation on this job. So this is going to be my positive wire now. So this would be what's the black wire onto this black tape, and then I have yellow wire that I'll be using for the negative. Alright, so these here, that's my positive wire. I got a little 2 amp fuse here, this. I'm just gonna cut it, tie that in here, and then it'll run to the positive part of the battery. And then the negative will just run down to the negative. Also, we got that, but before that, on the positive, probably should have tied it in up there. I'll probably cut this again. Or I'll cut back up there. And I have this here. This is not what I'm going to use forever. This here is just a DC toggle switch that basically goes in a car, right? On and off. But I'm going to hook it up to this for now, like right there. Just beside that switch, so we got it. I ordered DC light switch, so a normal looking light switch. They're hard to find and they're pretty expensive, but I got one. So this is going to be temporary, just so we can turn the light on and off. Whatever works, right?